I wish we had it 20 years ago. I would have made so much more money, I'd have saved so much more time. My back wouldn't be as sore. So yeah, I think it's a phenomenal. I think any big project should have this incorporated into it. My name's Scott Bowers, site manager for Network Scaffolding. Been scaffolding for over 25 years now. The project we're on just now is a commercial refurbishment of a big building in Edinburgh City Centre. It's approximately 2 years worth of work. We started in June this year doing some internal work. The external kicked off in July. We're currently 6 months into the project just now, so we're doing quite well. We're well on. The first impressions of LIFTBOT, we were a bit sceptical at first, seeing it set up and that, but after a couple of days we were blown away by it. The versatility, the weight it can carry, the speed it can go, the way it reduces manual handling is massive. And as you can see here, we're 36 metres high, and it reduces massively the manual handling and the labour that we would require to reach the heights. The alternatives to having LIFTBOT on the site are rope and wheel, extra 10, 12 scaffolders just for passing up materials, and we say in Scotland. So we've had to reduce that. Reduces the cost as well, which is good for the company as well. But more importantly, it keeps the scaffolders scaffolded and lets the labourers get the material to a LIFTBOT. The LIFTBOT takes it up and it lets the scaffolders erect. The most important safety perspective of LIFTBOT is the manual handling. It reduces the risk of dropped objects as well, whilst chaining materials. And the fact that we can set it up anywhere on site we want. We can relocate LIFTBOT to anywhere of this scaffold within 4 hours when it's fully set up, which is incredible. It's incredible. During the Scottish weather we have here, we get high winds, we get heavy rain. A lot of times the crane's been winded off, but LIFTBOT's still been able to work in these conditions. One of the great things with yourself, your company, is the response for your technical teams. We get feedback straight away. Any cables damaged, they're sent over straight away. And the guys come over to change over the robot, the batteries and stuff. No problems, no hassles at all. One of the big things I'd just like to thank the customer service for yourself. I think it's a massive selling point for these. And when I recommend it to anybody, it's the feedback you get for your guys, it's instant. For a lot of companies, when something goes wrong, you don't hear from them for days. But with your team, it's instant. Money can't buy that, as the saying goes. And it's revolutionised scaffolding, I would say, in my eyes. I think it's a phenomenal piece of kit. Probably one of the best innovations I've used in scaffolding in the last 20 years.